Did you know Australia once declared war on birds? This bizarre event, known as the Great Emu War of 1932, pitted Australian soldiers armed with machine guns against a mob of 20,000 emus. The emus invaded farmland, gobbling up crops during a hard-hitting drought. The result? Despite firing 2,500 rounds, the heavily armed soldiers met their match. The emus outsmarted them with their speed and surprising resilience. The official report even declared, "Emus remain undefeated." Imagine losing a war to flightless birds. Oh, history, you never fail to entertain. Want to know more wild tales? Subscribe for your weekly dose of historical hilarity.